So this is Kinsley Family Farms.
I'm wearing my sunglasses. It is so bright.
And that is Isabel.
Hi, and I'm trying to
So
just
here
find something.
we have a Christmas tree area where you can cut down your own Christmas trees. You have a pumpkin patch that's kind of behind me. A hayride that we're going to go on in a minute.
Wait, guys,
and then they have a farm.
Follow me.
And then they have a farm with different animals that you can feed and pet. So
Pumpkin! Right here, right now. Get your pumpkins. A lot of pumpkins. I love pumpkins.
this is the pumpkin patch, so to speak.
Kind
And what you do is you get a wagon.
Oh, I got one of those pumpkins one time.
Right there you get one of those wagons and
Guys,
you can come and
I got
choose your own pumpkin.
one of these pumpkins. It was all white. Oh, white pumpkins, baby pumpkins.
It's called Pokemon.
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 Yeah, look at all those. Look at all these different pumpkins. They got them back here, all through here. And those pumpkins look like the Wicked Witch from the East from the Wizard of Oz with all those warts on them. Kind of funny looking. I don't think that's a pumpkin though. It looks like someone got a dragon claw sticking out through the hay.
Jeez.
And we got gourds. Those are called gourds. And here you got baked goods.
Oh gosh, this smells delicious.
I don't know what orange blossom is, but that looks good. This is a type of honey.
I love honey. Blackberry.
Blackberry, mimosa.
Yeah, it's honey.
Sourwood
it says
honey.
pure honey right here. Pure honey right
And you
here.
got wildflower honey down here.
They're all
Holly honey. Maybe Nadia honey.
Guys, they're all honey. Well, on that side,
Different types of jellies and breads. More pumpkins. And out there you can see the Christmas trees way out there. So we'll come back later on another video with a hayride.